How do you optimize your push-up technique? Now, push-ups are amazing movement for your chest, secondary muscle, your tricep, and anterior deltoids. A lot of people, when they're doing this, they actually don't feel it through their chest. There's a concept known as neuromechanical matching, meaning sometimes your tricep may take over for your chest and your delts may take over for your chest as well if we're not doing this correctly. So if you're feeling it mainly in your triceps, that no longer becomes a chest exercise. That's a tricep exercise for you. So how can we optimize the push-up? First, you want to look at your arm. When you bring your arm back, if you feel this glide here coming forward, my elbow is way too high. As I'm pulling this back, you see my chest flare open. This is a good arm position here. So as I'm coming down, this is where I want my arms to be. So we're gonna come down here. Everybody's gonna be a little bit different. I have my hands down here. I'm going to come off of my knees. As I'm coming down, I wanna think about pulling my shoulder blades back so we're retracting, just bringing the shoulder blades back and exposing the chest as you come down. So hands underneath my armpits. Yours may be a little bit different. Think about pushing that chest forward. Okay, your abs are naturally gonna be tight. Otherwise, your hips are just gonna drop down. So that whole keep the core tight thing, you don't really need to worry about that. Hips up, come down, push that chest forward. We're pausing here. So I'm pushing that chest forward, drive up, the shoulder blades come back. We're pushing forward, driving through. So we're squeezed through the chest as we're coming up, and that pause at the bottom when the chest is spread out. So I'm not forward, my elbows are not too high. This would be way too much delts here. Think about pulling the shoulders back, pausing there, driving up. If you want to, you can drop to your knees, perfectly fine. Pull the shoulder blades back, drive through. This is actually a good way to fry out the chest and start. Because a push-up is close to 70% of your body weight. You want to throw that on a bar right away. Sometimes we need to have regressions so we can progress up. Next movement off of your knees, we can do a deficit push-up where you come up. So you have a little bit less gravity acting here. So I've got the dumbbells, same positioning. I come down, push that chest forward, shoulders back. I'm stretching out to the chest here. We're driving up. Little pause at the bottom, full range of motion. If that's still too hard for you, we come over to a bench. Now we're a little bit more elevated. Come down, same concept. My elbows are able to come back where I'm not having that anterior glide here. My shoulder naturally can come back. We come down, pull the shoulders back, drive through. Pausing at the bottom, driving through the top. That's it. That is how you optimize a push-up and your push-up progressions. Let's go, do the things. Like, follow, share. You know what to do.